Hey everyone! We've believed for a long time that glasses are going to be an important part of building the next computing platform and unlocking a whole new set of experiences for people. So I'm excited that today, we finally get to share what we've been working on with Essilor-Luxottica. We wanted to build something that would enable you to easily capture and share experiences from your point of view. And we thought, if we're going to build best-in-class glasses, a great place to start is with the iconic Rayban frames that people already love. So I'm proud to introduce to you Rayban Stories. With Rayban Stories, you can capture photos and videos, listen to music or podcasts, or take phone calls, all while staying in the moment and without even taking out your phone. Whether you're on a hike, cooking, or just hanging out or playing outside with your kids, you're going to be able to quickly capture that experience and share it if you want to. And this is just the start. Rayban Stories are an important step towards a future when phones are no longer a central part of our lives. The front of the glasses have two 5-megapixel cameras built in. You can activate the camera with the push of a button on the side of the frame. A tap starts recording a video, or you can tap and hold it to take a photo. Or you can just say, "Hey Facebook, take a video," for a hands-free experience. We also built in discrete open-ear speakers on the side of the frames to let you take calls or listen to music or podcasts. We put this LED light on the front of the glasses so that people around you will know when you're taking a photo or video. It lights up to let people know that the camera is on, and that's more than what smartphones do. There's also a power switch to turn off your glasses whenever you want, like if you're in a private space. When your glasses are off, they are completely off. The mic is off, and you can't take photos or record videos.